Alright, y'all, it's your boy Terrence Carter, and I am here, back at it again with another YouTube video. Now, today's video, I'm here to show you guys how to read a stock chart. Alright, so I'm going to break this down the best way that I can. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give today's video a thumbs up if you gain something from it, and leave your comments below. Now, I'm going to use TradingView for today's video. You guys will get to see the stocks that's in my portfolio. So I have the S&P 500 ETF Trust. I have Apple, I have Amazon, Chipotle, Google, Main Street Capital, Nvidia, Realty Income, Stag Industrial, Target, Tesla, Vici Properties, Vanguard, VNQ, so which is a real estate ETF, VTI, Walmart, and that is it. I usually keep the futures in my on my watch list so that I get to see what the stock market does after hours. Now, with that being said, like I said, I'm going to break it down the best way that I can, and hopefully y'all will learn something from this video. Now, we're just going to make it very, very simple. We're going to go to the SPY, right? Top 500 companies in the United States of America. So you guys can either see the line chart or you can see the candles. So a red candle means that the price is going down. All right. Whenever you see a red candle, you will look at it as bearish. Whenever you see a green candle, you will look at it as bullish. All right. Bear means price is going down. Bull means price is going up. Okay. All right. Now, please do not confuse yourself when you're looking at these candlesticks. All right. You will see price. Price is on the right side of the screen. So you got 596, 597, 598, 599, 600, etc. Right? When you're in the stock market, you got to realize that prices fluctuate all the time. All the time. So you'll see prices go up. You'll see prices consolidate, which you'll basically see like prices just in the middle. It's not really knowing what it wants to do. And you'll see a bullish rally, which is like when prices are going up. So there's like many different ways that people will read a chart, right? So let's just say, for example, you want to know what does consolidation mean. So I'm going to show you guys right here. I'm going to use, I guess, the brush on TradingView, and I'm just going to circle it. All right. So this right here would be a consolidation, meaning price doesn't really know what it wants to do, whether the price wants to go up or if it wants to go down. So it just mellows out in the middle. All right. So as I'm moving my finger to the left, you guys can see what the market had previously did today. If you look on the bottom of the screen, you will see different times. So this is going in like, you can see 1230, 1300, 1330, which is the volume. All right. You always want to pay attention to the volume too. So if you see a red bar, right, it means that the volume for that is very, very bearish. Right? And if you see a green bar, you see the value for that is very bullish. Okay? So like I said, this is in consolidation right here. If you want to see a good way of seeing like price go up, you can see where I'm at right here. I'll circle it with the brush. Boom. So hold on, let me erase that right quick. Anyway, You guys can see it right here. So price was basically 60, you could say 603, 602.93, right? Hold on. I love using TradingView, y'all. I love using TradingView. So price is like 603.04-ish, and then price rallied. Boom, boom, boom. You see it? Good rally, good rally, good rally. 607. Now, what I want you guys to pay attention to, all right? So So let's just say you bought the stock, you bought it at 607, right? What a lot of people like to do is they'll see the stock price go down. You see how I just went from 607, right? 607 down to you could just say 604. What people like to do is they like to panic sell. You don't want to be one of those investors that panic sell, right? You see how it's getting lower, 602. Now we're going to consolidate. We're going 601. Now we back at, price is changing every second. In my opinion, I would buy more of the stock, whether it's fractional shares or if you got the money for it, full shares. Why? Because price is either going to retrace, meaning it's going to head back to the 608, range over here, or we can see a pullback some more where price will go down to this area, right? So 585 area. Now, with that being said, you do not want to be a scaredy cat in the stock market. All right? The stock market is a game of returns, and it's a game that you need to master. If you bought a pair of sneakers and you paid, let's say you bought some Louis Vuitton shoes or some Tom Fords or Gucci or whatever, and you paid $600 for the sneakers or the shoes, and the price went down to, let's just say price went down to $550. Would you feel like, dang, I should have waited till price went down to $550 to buy them? Or would you just sit there and say, I'm going to just sell them for $550? I'm pretty sure you wouldn't sell them for cheaper than what you bought it for, right? So my point is, when you're in the stock market, right, if you're going to own a stock, like I said, this is an example. This is just the SPY. We could go to a stock like Apple, right? If you're going to buy Apple, you purchase Apple at $229. The stock goes down to $227. You should not be so eager to sell your shares. Why would you do that? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get you guys to realize, like, a lot of the stock market is about your psychology. How are you reading the charts, right? If you see prices rallying down, right? So if you see this circle here, this range over here, $233.95, $230.95, and the stock rallies down a little bit, you should not get scared. There should be no reason why people be panic selling or feeling like, oh, the stock market is against me, or the stock market is cheating me. No, price is just doing what price does. You know what I'm saying? You got bullish rallies, which is when price is going what? Price is going higher, right? So if you're gonna purchase, you will see that price will go higher. You got bearish, where price is going lower. And then you have consolidation, where price doesn't know what it really wants to do, which is this. Okay? So the easiest way to read a stock chart too, like this is the 1 minute chart. But if you pull back to, let's just say a 1 month chart. Let's go to a 1 month chart, right? Hold on, let me erase that. My bad, y'all. Let's just go to a 1 month chart. So this is why I tell you guys, like, you got to think long term about the stock market. Or we're not even gonna do a 1 month chart. We're not even gonna do that. We're gonna do, let's just say 4 hours. Let's go to a 4 hour chart. Right? So every 4 hours you're gonna see these candles. Well, yeah. Or even if you want to do no, I put 15 seconds. That was an accident. My apologies. Even if you want to do the 15-minute chart. So every 15 minutes, you'll see different candles. Right? So you see here that the candles are very bearish. Right? But that doesn't mean that the stock price is not going to reverse and head back up. You know? You just can't be impatient. What a lot of people lack is the patience to learn how to study the skill. Y'all can see that the stock, hold on, let me go back to the 1 minute chart. Y'all can see that Apple's stock price right now is at $227.30. That's after the market closed. It closed at 227.68. So you guys can see it, right? You guys can see it right here. And for me, the way that I would view it is, hey, Apple is down 2.40%. I'm going to purchase more of Apple. You know, we could go to a company like Amazon. Amazon is down $9.68. So you always want to pay attention to the price. The price is $229.22. You want to pay attention to how much the stock went up in a day or how much it went down. So the stock went down $9.68, and then you want to pay attention to how much percent did the stock go down. So the stock went down 4.05%. Now, let me let you guys see the portfolio so you guys can see the realness, right? So the portfolio was down $407.08, right? So you got this is the raw. This is the realness. This is what happens in the stock market. Prices go high, prices go low. You got companies like Tesla. Tesla has been down the whole entire month. It's down 8%, right? It hasn't been down the whole entire month because it rallied to $439, and then it's been going down ever since. But if I were you, I would look at that as a discount, as an opportunity, and I will be purchasing, little by little or whatever I can. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen Uber? I don't even have Uber in my portfolio, but Uber is up 6%. That is tough. But you'll have a company like Google. Google just had earnings and they actually didn't do that good. I think they missed on revenue, I believe. So that brought the stock price down. The stock is down 9.16%, right? But if this is a buying opportunity, well, to me, it's a buying opportunity. To somebody else, they're going to be scared and they're going to say, I don't want to invest into that because the stock price is low. I'm going to wait till it goes lower. But you can't sit there and think that the stocks is going to stay low forever because the stock market goes up, I believe, like 76% of the time. I learned that from Wall Street Trapper. I'm not super duper accurate on how often the stock market goes up. But if you took 10 chances and you had a 80% chance of the stocks going up or 70% chance of the stocks going up, I'll take that chance every time. So this is a company. Well, this is a company. This is Google, right? Y'all guys can see it firsthand. I'm trying to make the bars as small as possible as y'all can see. All right, so y'all can see it right here. Here we go. So Google was at 208, right? Google was at 208. The stock missed revenue and the price went down, right? Price went down. Y'all see that? But once again, you don't want to be a scaredy cat and say, oh, I'm scared. No, you need to see opportunity. When everything is red, like you guys can see, this is opportunity for you to get in, especially at lower prices. All right? So once again, let's go back to the SPY. Y'all can see the candles. We can even go 5 days. The past 5 days, the stock is up. The S&P is up 1.37%. In 1 month, it's only up 0.56%. 3 months, 1.30%. 6 months, 17.42%. Year to date, 1.93%. And in 1 year, it's up 21.69%. So this is why I say always think long term. Always think long term. Because the stock market is always going to have a pullback every single time. But if you are afraid during the pullback, you will not learn how to make progression in the stock market. You cannot be scared. You need to see opportunity when it's right in front of you, and you need to take the chance. All right? So, once again, red candles equals bearish. It means price is going down. Green candles means bullish. Price is going up. All right? When pullbacks happen, aka prices going down, you need to see that as an opportunity. When prices are going up, that's just you got to let the stock market do what it does. All right? It's your boy Thomas Carter. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back at it with some more videos for y'all.